How to fix PayPal permanent limitation. So here's what you have to do: sign into your PayPal account and then you will click on help here at the top. Now we want to search for resolution and click on what is the resolution center here. Right here it's going to take you to this article, and we want to click on resolution center, which is going to load up a new page, and you will be able to see if you need to take any steps in order to remove this permanent limitation. Another reason why you may have gotten this permanent limitation might be a fake. Sometimes you will get phishing emails, and it is not going to be an actual email from PayPal which is going to say permanent limitation, and basically you need to watch out for those. And like I said, if you need to take any steps in order to remove the permanent limitation, then from the resolution center they will be displayed right there. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.